Okay, this video is going to cover section 4.3 for statistics, and it's diagnostics. It's a short and sweet section. This is all there is. When you find the linear regression equation, one thing you're going to notice on your calculator is an r squared. R squared is called the coefficient of determination. What it does is it shows the proportion of variation in the data. Essentially, it's like the percent of data described by the line. Or how well does the data fit? So the closer to 1 it is, the more of the line is described, the better a fit it is. Deviations are just anything that differs. How does the data differ? So that could be from the equation, it could be from the mean. It's just how does it differ from whatever you're talking about as your center. There's two types of extreme points. So an extreme observation, any point that is inconsistent with the data, is called an outlier. So it's an extreme observation, inconsistent with the data, far away from the data. The only time you ignore outliers is if it was found in error. So maybe someone typed 10 instead of 1. Then you could ignore it because you know it was an error. Otherwise, you need to consider it. So these points here are all our data. So all these little green points that I'm turning yellow are different data points. And then we have these 3 blue ones that are far away from the data. Those are all outliers. All 3 of those. They're inconsistent with this group of data here. An influential point significantly affects the line of best fit. Line of best fit. So if I included this data point, it's going to pull the line from there up. Probably not that drastically, but it would change it. If I include this data point, it's going to pull the line down. So those are both influential points. This point still falls near the line. It could be here, it could be here, but it's in the general direction of the data and wouldn't really affect our line of best fit. So this one is not influential. So an outlier is any extreme point. Influential also affects the line of best fit. That's all you need to know from 4.3. Let me know if you have any questions.